Less than half of our cases go into litigation, but when they do, there is a process that needs to be followed. The first step in the process would be to file the lawsuit. Once the lawsuit is filed, we have to serve the defendant. Service of process usually takes anywhere between 20 to 30 days. Once the lawsuit has been served on the defendant has 20 days to answer the lawsuit. The answer is just their explanation for what happened and their defenses to the lawsuit. Once the defenses are received, then we start the process of discovery. The discovery process has two aspects. One is written discovery and the other is oral testimony or depositions. The paper aspect begins with a series of questions called interrogatories. These interrogatories are questions that basically ask you about your health before the accident, your health after the accident, detailed questions about how the accident happened. They're going to ask about the physicians that you've consulted with, the treatment that you've received, both before and after the accident, so they can determine whether or not you have a new or worsened injury from any pre-existing conditions that you may have had. The other aspect are the depositions. Depositions is when an attorney will sit down and ask you a series of questions while you are under oath and in front of a court reporter. Your attorney will be right next to you during your deposition, so you'll have nothing to worry about. We'll help you prepare for the deposition by explaining the process and to practice some of the questions and answers so that you'll be more comfortable on the day of your deposition. Once the discovery phase is completed, we'll be ready to mediate your case. This begins the negotiation process with the goal of securing the best recovery possible for you. If negotiations at mediation fail, we will already have a court date and prepare for trial. Some cases settle faster than others, but we'll have no way of knowing how your case is going to go until it progresses. But rest assured that the attorneys here at the law offices of Michael Brehne will be with you every step of the way.